Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Mehak and in this week's tutorial we are going to paint this beautiful floral border using ink and watercolors. I'll show you my step-by-step process of how I draw these flowers, leaves and then put them all together. So without any further delay, let's get started. Well, we are almost finished and I hope you enjoyed painting these beautiful floral borders with me today, which can be used as greeting cards, bookmarks, etc. If you like this video, consider subscribing because I'll be back with a new tutorial next week. And don't forget to connect with me on Instagram where I'll take you behind the scenes of my favorite watercolor tools, techniques and supplies. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.